Hello and welcome to Super Better. So Super Better is a game platform designed by expert game designer Jane McConnell. So Jane McConnell had a concussion that caused her to, come into a place of depression and a lot of difficulty in her life. And so what she started to do was wonder if her experience playing games would help her to be able to, heal herself from her concussion and to move forward in her life in a more dynamic way. So she designed this game called Super Better. And so Super Better is a game where you come in and you kind of say, okay, well, what are some areas? Physical resilience, start with a laugh. And so it will start to give you little challenges. And you've kind of set yourself up for the challenge, but then when you're like, I did this. I did do 5 minutes a day. I did, laugh and chuckle. And then it gives you, it says you've unlocked 2 quests, you've gotten these points. And it's really rewarding to kind of see yourself increase and to feel better. And it on an app on your phone, it gives you a lovely little confetti burst. So here's another one. I've signed up to this sneaky workout. So it says, are you sitting still? Are you lying down? Are you eating? The questions are, congratulations, this is a sneaky workout. So, think of a time that you did this. Think of a time that you weren't just resting. Great, you're actually working out. So when you're like, I did this, again, quest complete, it gives you some kind of flood of that accomplishment, that sense of ownership. It's supposed to kind of really play on, like Yuko Chow was talking about, those white hat core drives of empowerment and encouragement. It's not a drive, but this encouraging feeling of, the empowerment and accomplishment and ownership over one's own life. So as I change these, my score starts to go, my peak starts to go up, and I start to go like, wow, okay, well, here's an area, my social stats, they're kind of low. Maybe this is something that I need to engage with my friends and family. So I thought about this as being a game that would be a great game to use in the mini course that I'm wanting to bring people through. That's going to help members of a team learn more about how to be an effective group. And so by encouraging them to sign up to this game Super Better, they can actually play it together, which would allow people to see, who's feeling strong mentally, emotionally, where are people struggling, and how can we encourage each other by, doubling up on quests or saying, hey, let's go grab a walk around the block. I think that's a lovely way of supporting people, and you start to see, okay, I can see some areas where I might want to improve, or some areas that I have, I really leveled up in. Okay, so there's secret piles and exposure to plants and parks and boost immunity. So this starts to give lots of great tips, which takes away some of those areas from ourselves, but also starts to kind of put me in the driver's seat of being in charge of my own wellness. I think when groups come together and everyone is taking responsibility for their own wellness, it really benefits the effectiveness of a team. I think that's truly what CARE is about. So I thought that this would be one of the games I might suggest in my group effectiveness mini course that people would be able to bring back to their team. Thanks so much.